Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your 7-Eleven app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here until you found apps, click on it. Come to apps list here, and there you're looking for 7-Eleven app, just click on it. Or just click on search. Add here 7-Eleven, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for 7-Eleven, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on update, then it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.